Falcon Black.
What's up, gents? Falcon Black back again, and in this video I just want to add to my lockdown training series, which is a series of videos where I aim to teach you some Taekwondo techniques. So in this video we're going to learn how to do the half turning kick. As always, the basic of a kick is that you lift the leg, the kicking leg, you bend at the knee, and then you flex, and then you extend from the knee and return that knee back into that flexed position. We do this because it's a very efficient motion, and it also allows you or gives you more control of the kick and allows you to continue to throw combinations from that leg. So the roundhouse kick or the half turning kick is one of the most popular kicking techniques you will see around because of its ease of use once you've mastered it. It's similar to the front kick, but the only thing that changes now is that you are pivoting on your other leg. So this can initially be difficult to master because you're coordinating a lot of body parts to perform this kick. You're pivoting, you're lifting the leg, you're bending the knee, and you're also rotating with your torso, which is another element. To make this kick faster or more powerful, you should focus on exercises that work your obliques. Your obliques are the quote-unquote abs on the side of your torso. So the exercises that usually hit these muscles are usually rotational exercises, perhaps a medicine ball rotation, or with wood chops off the cable or Russian twist. Working your obliques is basically the secret behind making this kick more efficient, making your rotation quicker, and if you're mostly interested in the asphatical parts, working your obliques is the quickest way to get abs and ab definition. So you kill many birds with one stone here. So the main point of contact you should be focusing on is the instep of your foot. So that is the top part of your foot, and on the top part of your foot there is pretty much a light sheath of muscle on it, which if thrown accordingly, particularly around the neck or the chin, this will easily knock someone out. But for now I'm showing you mainly a target on your midsection, so that's around your solar plexus region, and you normally probably kick someone to the ribs with this kick when you're aiming for the midsection. To the head, obviously it's going to come around to the side of the head, to the temples, to the neck, and that's where it can have a lot of knockout potential and damage. For stance and for basic kicking technique, I refer you back to my other videos, which I'll link in this video. Just click the link above whenever you see it. Let me know what your favorite kick is, or what your favorite kick from this series is so far. Feel free to comment, like the video if you enjoyed it, subscribe of course to this awesome channel, and give this kick a try, and expect more videos coming out soon. It's your boy Falcon Black out. Peace.